Z-Fam Mama with
Kayla from A&K.
show off your cool sweater.
Wearing my Feliz Navidad sweatshirt from my boyfriend.
From her boyfriend, who you've seen.
Yeah.
So Kayla is going to open up the 23rd.
Here we go. Ooh, Tranquil.
Oh, open it up. We do not have that.
No, we do not.
Oh, that's the
James
hard
scissors.
packaging.
Look what I have. Oh, that's right. This is the one we had a problem with last
Yeah.
time. Okay. I don't even know what to do. Mess up the box maybe? I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay.
I think I've smelt this before. It smells really good.
Tranquil. What do you think that's for?
You guys.
Family gatherings?
Yeah.
Do you want to open it for us? Thank you. Okay, no. Oh, yay! I love strong men.
Twist, twist, twist.
Thank you. Okay. Open it up.
Okay.
Oh, nice one. Can you smell it? Oh my
That
gosh.
smells nice.
Oh, that's got to have lavender in it.
Do you feel
I
relaxed?
So, but it's not like super strong.
That's like when you have to be around people that.
Lavender,
Perfect for holidays.
lavender,
Stress away.
cedarwood, and Roman chamomile.
Oh, no wonder.
Oh,
That'd be a really great one
wow.
for like relaxing.
Can we diffuse something like that too? Boom.
Yes, but you can't buy it. It's a roll-on only.
It's rolling. I like it.
So we
Oh,
have-
this is a good one.
We have those oils though.
Perfect for holiday
Yeah.
and stressful times.
Wow.
Shopping
Super
at
perfect.
certain stores.
Yes.
Cranky people.
Safe.
Yay! That's so exciting.
Awesome.
Yay! Thanks for watching.